In this video we're going to create some ads in our AdSense account, and then we're going to make those into ad widgets in HeatMap Theme Pro. So I'm in my AdSense account here, and I'm going to make myself a AdSense for Content ad unit. So I'm going to click on that, and I think I'll have a text ad today, and then I'll continue. Okay. I think I'll make a small ad at this stage, just a 250 by 250 medium ad, and I'm going to select a colour palette, one of the default ones. I think I'll select Blue Mix. Now you may notice in the Pro Skins range of child themes that you can get with HeatMap Theme Pro, there's actually one called Blue Mix there. That's specifically designed to match in with these default Google colours. There's a number of them, and you'll be able to find them. You'll be able to find one that's called Seaside, one that's called Open Air, one that's called Shadow, one that's called Blue Mix, one that's called Ink. So you can use those with just with the default colour, so it makes it really quick. Okay, so I'm not going to change any of these defaults. I'm just going to continue. And then I'm not going to do any channels at this stage. I'm just going to make the ad, and there's our ad. I'm just going to call it Blue Mix for now, and then I'll submit that and get some code. Here's my code. I'm just going to highlight that and copy it. Let's make an ad widget. Okay. From the WordPress admin, I'm going to head down to the HeatMap Ads link, and you can see here we have all our boxes where we can insert our code for our ad units. So I'm going to just paste in the code that we made earlier, and I'm going to give it a name. Let's call it 250 by 250. Just as a reminder of what that is. And I would like that to appear on my home page, on Pages, and on Posts. And I'll click Save. Okay, let's head over to the Widgets page and have a look. And we can see here we've got our 250 by 250 ad unit there as a widget. I'm just going to stick that in the wide bar top widget position and drag that across. There's no options for HeatMap theme widgets because you set all the options in the options page. So let's go and have a look at our new ad widget in the theme. And here you can see it.